right. Welcome everyone. It's Irvin here. Team with Irvin. Today is May 3rd, 2020, making today a Sunday. Once again, let me go ahead and let you know, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so by clicking the bell notification below. Today we're gonna be analyzing the full week of May 4 to the 8th. All right, so hopefully you already saw the video that I posted yesterday. So let me go ahead to go to the next slide just to give you a Forex disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. That's what I'm here for. So hopefully you will make hundreds of pips this week. Remember, this is the week of May 4 to May 8. Just to give you, I mentioned this on my pre-week video that I created yesterday. So go back to that one. Gold is in there. A lot of people are asking me, Irvin, can you analyze gold once again? The answer is no. I already did the video. Go back to the video and check it out. Okay, so check this out. It's very interesting. The next app that I think everyone needs to have it no matter what is my FX book hour, guys. This one here, everything I'm gonna be telling you today is subject to change based on the news that are gonna be released. And here you will find the news that are coming up. Just in case you didn't know, I do the one-on-one session. In case you want me to help you out, then send me a private message. My private link is below as well, so you can check it out. Send me a message, we can book, and you can start making these hundreds and hundreds of pips. Here's a real traders in there talking good things about me. The benefit about this is a lot of people get confused and say, Irvin, the signal that you send on Sunday, it works out amazingly. And I always correct them and I said, no, I don't do signals. I do one-on-one. But even though, the good thing about it, guys, is that I do get those amazing emails and texts that you guys are killing it. Can you imagine if you would have booked one-on-one? That's even, you will take it to the next level. Let me drink some of my wine. I always say that, right? So you got to drink some wine. It's water, guys. But look at here, more testimony. More testimony. And I'm putting another one to another one as well. Look at here. Let me bring it up in here. Let me go up from the beginning. Look at here, guys. I'm trying to put this one together as well. Look, a student result, proof, real proof. Look at that. People are killing it. $569. Look at me answering, saying congratulations. Let's go to the next one. Look at here. People are killing it. Blue pips. I say congratulations as well. Look at that. People are killing it. Writing it down, their formula that I give them when I do the one-on-one. Look at all this stuff. See the rules. See, look at how, it's amazing, guys. My respect to these traders. See how they take care of this stuff? Look at the next one. See, I just want to say thanks for the training session. You see, people are loving it. They're loving it. They're making money. They're making real money. There you go. Let's go to the next one. Look at this other one. Another one. I know the true story. People are making pips. Look at this other guy. $1,217. Look at that. It pays off, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Another one here. See? It's this. I see it all the time. And I get now, you know, it's time for me to tell you guys, okay, people are killing it. What are you doing? I don't know what you're doing. But anyway, if you are not subscribed to our Facebook page, please do so by going to Forex USA group, where we post a lot of setups in there for free. Nothing costs money. All right. So nothing, we don't charge anything about it. Just to make sure you know that all this is free. All I charge is only for the one-on-one because it takes time for me to get into your brain. I really need your brain to be, you know, so I can teach you so how you're gonna be squeezing this hundreds of pips. But remember, we are analyzing the week of May 4 to the 8th, and this is for the full week analysis, and we are concentrated on triple arrow system, the best system in the world. If you are planning to grab our triple arrow system, the link is below. We will be giving you $20 cash back. Okay, make sure you subscribe as well. All right, guys, so I think we're gonna go ahead and start, and we're gonna start with some real analysis. All right, let's go. Let's start with GBP Canadian. Pay attention to the time frame, guys. Pay full attention. I think it's very, very important. What I'm expecting to see right where the market is trending, and here I'm looking for a sell position right where the market is trending. But pay attention to the time frame that I'm using. Time frame I'm using is strictly 4 hours. Look at that, 4 hours. So trend here is bearish, period. That's what it's doing. What I'm expecting to see this week here, I'm expecting to see is a retracement retesting R38.2 Fibonacci. From that point, market is going to do a small pullback, retesting R23 Fibonacci. Then the market will drop down. That's simple. It's not hard. It's just that simple. Anyway, I'm here, guys. If you do have any question, please make sure you comment below. Tell me what kind of video you want me to make, and I will be more than happy to help you out. This is the only way that I can really you know, say thank you for watching my videos and you know, and making pips. That's what we're here for. And also, guys, if you are finding value, please give me a thumbs up. If not, it's fine. You can also give me a thumbs down. Either way helps, because I really need to know how I need to improve my skills. And everything I do here is organic, guys. I don't sugarcoat my videos, nothing like that. It is what it is. If I make mistake, you will see the mistake that I'm making, but I don't want to sugarcoat anything. All right, so let's go to the next pair. Let's go in AUD Canadian dollars. This is on 4 hours. Pay attention to the time frame once again. I love 4 hours. Irving, Mr. Timur Irving, 4 hours. Pay attention. Look at who is in charge here, guys. Beautiful triple arrow. Beautiful. What I'm expecting to see here, guys, is I'm expecting to see a continuation of the trend. Let me grab my right tool. I always grab the wrong tool. I'm expecting to see a retracement retesting R23.6 Fibonacci line. From that point on, market will do a small pullback, retesting our mid 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line before the markets continue as bearish. All right. So let me know if you guys finding value of this one. But remember, guys, this is a triple arrow pullback. Okay, don't be on this one for so long. Please, please, please respect the rules. Otherwise, the market will kill your account. And remember one thing, guys, you can put 1,000, 2,000 on your real account. If you don't know what you're doing, you don't find the right coaching, your $2,000 is gonna be gone within a week, and you still don't know what you're doing. Best off is invest in yourself. Find someone to help you. If you want me to help you, my private link is below. Send me a message. We can book one-on-one. If you want to improve, if you want to make money. If don't, it's fine. Keep doing what you're doing. Anyway, I'm doing the work here behind scene. All right, so let's go to the next pair. Pay attention to this beautiful trade here. We are looking for on GBP NCD. We are still looking for a continuation of the trend, still going down. So what I'm expecting to see this week, I'm expecting to come and retest our golden area, 50 Fibonacci line. From that point on, market will do a small retracement, retesting our 38 to our 23. Then the market will drop down. Look at that. It's kind of like an end up. Boom, it will drop. But that's what it is. Hopefully all this makes sense, guys. If you have not watched yesterday's video, please go back and check my preview. Actually, I'm gonna put it on the pin of this, on the description of this video, guys. Pay attention to the link, the other link as well. So I'm gonna post it in there in case you want to see it. But we are gonna come back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna be analyzing all these pairs with you again. Remember, we're analyzing 14 different pairs. Last Wednesday, only 4 pairs went against us. 10 was a winning ratio. This is damn pretty good, guys. I'm really giving you a lot of great setup. Triple arrow is the best system, guys. It is the best system. Easy to use. Anyone can use it. It's just finding the triple arrow, mastering your rules. I don't know if you have rules or not, but if you don't, you need to, or you need to find a coach. All right, so we all can help you out. But like I say, you know, if you want me to help you, it's different. All right, so what we're looking for here, guys, pay attention what the triple arrow is giving us. Triple arrow is giving us a bullish market. Perfectly is respecting our triple arrow. So what we're seeing here on CHF JPY is we still see a continuation of the trend going up, retesting. Let me grab the right tool. retesting our AA line, which is gonna come and hit our 50 Fibonacci line. From there, the market is gonna do a small reversal, and then the market will continue as bullish. You guys have any question? No question? All right, let me move on then. Let me drink some of my wine, guys. This water is Deer Park water, okay? But I call it wine. Don't think it's wine real. Telling you it's good. This is good. Good life. All right, let's move on. Let's move on. We're gonna go ahead and analyze NCD USD. Pay attention what NCD USD is doing. I'm expecting to see a continuation of what? Look at that. Triple arrow is doing what? Let me type it, guys. Pay attention. Triple arrow here is doing what? Triple arrow is giving us a sell position. That's what it's doing, guys. Nothing is just doing that. Still dropping. Well, I'm expecting to see this week. To be honest, I'm still expecting to see a market to continue down and retest what? Retest our 38.2 Fibonacci line. From there, the market is going to do a small reversal, retesting our mid 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. Basically, come back and retest our triple arrow. Then the market will drop down. We're going to come back on Wednesday. At what time? 6 p.m. Eastern time. That's the time that we are going to come back here. All right. So hopefully you guys are finding value of this one. Let me know if you have any question, guys. But I mean, this is very straightforward. So hopefully everything makes sense. All right, let me go ahead and move on to our next pair. Let me take all this drawing here because I don't want to confuse you. The last thing you see on my screen, better off will be for you. And please, 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 like I always say, guys, please stop adding a whole bunch of stuff in your chart and you're not gonna know what you're doing, okay? Trust me. Stop it. All right, pay attention what we're doing on GBP JPY. Well, look at what the triple arrow is giving us, guys. Triple arrow is giving us a bearish market. Perfect, perfect, perfect. That is what it's doing. It's not doing anything extra. Boom, my triple arrow respecting what I'm expecting to see the continue this week. Remember, this is the week of May 4 to May 8 outlook, which is our pre-analysis basically. We are still gonna see a continuation of the trend retesting our mid 38.2 Fibonacci before the market takes off. Why do you think I would say the market is gonna go off back to bullish? Why do you think, guys? Look at this one. This is just a small tiny pullback, guys. If you don't know what you're doing, trust me, you will kill your account. This is a triple arrow pullback. Look at how it's fooling everyone. Look at this huge engulfing candle is fooling all of you guys, all the newbies. And all the newbies are entering on this trade heavy. They're entering here, they're entering here. They're thinking, oh yeah, triple arrow still bearish. We're all going bearish. And now suddenly, bam! It took back up, went back to north. Then everybody go like, oh my God, what if triple arrow don't work? Nope. It's your style that don't work. You don't know what you're doing. You need someone to help you. That is a problem. So the market here, what do you think the market is doing? Because we got a lot of senior traders here that had took my 101. Market here, original, equal to a bullish market. That's what the market is doing, guys. Market is doing bullish. It's just here, if you see it here, all this is basically what this triple arrow is doing here. It's just a triple arrow pullback. That's all it is. It's not like doing something else. But again, you don't want to book 101? Fine. Keep blowing your account. One day, you're going to say, Urban, I'm sorry. I should have had to take your 101. I'm tired of losing money. Well, you got the decision in your hands. I'm just another trader. Anyway, we're going to come back on Wednesday where we're going to be analyzing this pair. Pay attention to what we're doing on USD Canadian dollars. Pay attention to that. Here, we are looking what? What do you think is this one doing here, guys? What do you think this triple arrow represents? Triple arrow is bullish, right? That's what it is. That's why all the newbies are going, oh yeah, market is bullish. Yeah, let's jump in, let's jump in. And now all the newbies are going crazy there. Yes, market is bullish. You're right. That's what TA is doing, right? Let me do TA. You know, the TA is doing bullish. Sure, why not? But look at this. This is very similar to the one that I just explained you a few seconds ago. Exact same setup. Look at this one. Look at this huge engulfing candle here, fooling all of you guys out. And all these new, we are entering here as a buy. And look, all of a sudden the market is gonna do what? Bam! It's gonna retrace. It's gonna take your stop loss. Then we'll continue up for a few more pips. Then the market will drop. Why do you think the market will drop, guys? Why do you think the market will drop? Why? Let me write it down. Because the trend equals sell position. That's what it is. And I get very, very excited. I love triple arrow, guys. I'm just a huge fan of it. As you guys know, I'm the IT support for the triple arrow system. Any issue you have, you want me to set up your template correctly, let me know as well. I will be more than happy. But I have trained over 400 of you guys already. And all those 400 of you guys, none of you has the right triple template, because you guys have a whole rack of wrong stuff on it. Stop it. It's time for you to reanalyze your setup and go back to start making money. All right, we are in this business to make money. We're not in this business to be checking, you know, all these people. If someone put a silly indicator, all they knew is go like, oh, what kind of indicator is that? How can I get it? Forget that, man. What did you pay for it? You pay to have this freaking triple arrow on your chart. That's what you pay for it. You didn't pay to have all different nonsense indicators in your chart. You didn't pay for that. Stop it. It's time for you to move on. Learn what is real. Realistically, that's what you pay for it. You pay for this freaking triple arrow to be on your chart. And guess what? The new triple arrow system is coming, guys. It's going to be better, stronger, and oh my goodness. It will be the most amazing thing on earth. But if you are watching us for the first time and you want to grab the new triple arrow system, we are going to give it to you for free. All you have to do today is only sign up. And then when we release the new triple arrow system, you will get it for free. Sent to you guys, all of you guys are gonna get it for free. But this is still working behind scene. It's almost ready, but it's still working behind scene, doing the final retouch. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to our triple arrow in case you want to grab it. If not, it's fine. But stop it. Stop adding nonsense stuff on your chart, please. And then don't tell me, oh, Irvin didn't say that. Yes, I did. You know that. Anyway, let's move on. Let's pay attention to what I got here. Look at what I'm seeing. This is on GBP NCD. What I'm expecting to see here is a continuation of the trend. Market's still going to drop, retesting our mid 50 to our 61 Fibonacci line. From there, market is going to come back to our mid AA line, which is our 50 to our 38 Fibonacci line. From that point on, the market's still going to go bearish. Why do you think it's going to go bearish? What do you think? I'll be talking a lot, guys. I'll be talking a lot. You need to master what I'm saying. Because what? The trend equal what? What do you think? Equal selling. That's what it's doing. I don't know what you're doing. I don't know who of you. I know one or two or three or 10 of you guys will blow your account this week. Why? Because some of you are stingy. Don't want to invest in yourself. Stop it. You don't have to do it with me. I'm not saying you have to do it with me. You can find anybody else. There's multiple people, but you have to find the right person to teach you. All right? And we do it. We do all the teaching for free. We give you more than what you pay, guys. Look, all you pay is only $2.99. We give you free education Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Then I do mines on Wednesday. I give you free analysis on Saturday and Sunday. You get more than what you deserve. And some of you guys still don't nail it. This is straightforward to the point. So today is my preaching day. So don't think I'm aggressive, nothing like that. I'm just trying to be real. Because remember, I don't sugarcoat my video. If I make mistake, you will know. The whole world will know. Who cares? But I need to give you the right. I'm trying to be honest here. I don't got nothing to hide, nothing to do that. It is what it is. We're going to come back on Wednesday. You're going to say, damn, Irvin, your knowledge are top notch. Well, thank you for that. I just show you some of the people that are super happy with my service. Look at that. This is student result. All these guys are killing it. Look at blue pips. Look at that, 1,217 bucks. How much money do you need? I don't know, but there it is. People are making blue pips. If you are on the red club, well, you keep being there. I like to have only people that are in the blue channel. Green pips, blue pips, however you want to say. All right, pay attention to what I have here on AUD USD. We are looking for a triple arrow doing what? Triple arrow in this particular area is giving us a sell position. That's what TA is doing here. TA is giving us a what? A sell position. But this is good to know. This is good to know. Let me put people on. Okay, let me ask this question. I know I'm here live with you guys. Please write it down, and like I say, you know, what did I say early? Let me bring it back. Comment below, guys. I don't know what the hell happened. Oh, there you go. Comment below. Comment below. I'm here live, so I'm gonna answer your question. Let me see who got it right. What do you think this triple arrow represent? What do you think? I'm here. Come on. Don't be shy. Even if you're wrong, I'm gonna correct you. Okay. Equal what? What do you think this triple arrow is doing? This, okay. All right. Got it. You got it. Look at that. It's doing a pullback position. That's what it's doing. This is what I always teach you guys. When you guys do the one-on-one is please learn how to grab 20 to max 40 pip, but you need to have more confirmation in order to take this trade. If not, don't take it, because the market is gonna do what this week? All suddenly the market is gonna do is more retracement, retesting our our AA line right on it, right where it is, which is gonna be our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. Then it's gonna take all these TPs that are you guys are on it, or stop losses, I'm sorry. And then market will drop down, and then market will continue back up, because this is just a pullback, guys. Please, man, please stop blowing your account. Find a way to math. And guys, please let me tell you another thing. Is find your niche. Please find your niche. Look, I'm Timur Urban. I'm not Mr. Elvis. Please, let's get that straight. I'm Timur Urban. We got Mr. Elvis, which is the Ichimoku guy. And then we got Miss Jenny. And then we have our Mr. Pat Murphy, which is our CEO. So it's 4 coaches teaching you in 4 different styles. So find who works best with you and stick to that rules. Stop going through all four teaching a different way, and you think you're gonna be mastering all 4 different strategies. It's too much. Really, it's too much. You need to master what works best for you. Look at here. I don't use indicator claim. I give you the Fibonacci in there, but when you come in and do the one-on-one, I don't use Fibonacci, guys. I teach you the real deal behind scene, how I make those hundreds and hundreds of pips. All right, that makes sense. All right, so let's move on, because I don't know what's going on with me. I'm telling you, this Deer Park water is making me be aggressive today, but I'm giving you the right choice anyway. All right, let's go to our next pair. Let's go to, this is the first time I'm going to analyze USD JPY, guys. Pay attention on this one. I'm analyzing USD JPY. This is on 4 hours. So what I'm expecting, look at what triple arrow is forming here, guys. Not fully there yet, but this is going to be a killer. Look at there. Triple arrow is there. Let's go to 1 hour. What do you think is in 1 hour, guy? What do you think it is? Look at that. Guarantee triple arrows in 1 hour. You want to see it? Because it's there. Let's go there and check it out. Let me take this drawing so you will know. Look at that. Let me go to shift and look at that. You tell me if I'm lying to you. Look at this. I told you, guaranteed triple arrow is gonna be there. All you gotta do is take that trade and bam, bank that bank. So we're here to collect what? Hundreds and hundreds and what? And hundred. It doesn't matter what you think, but we are here to collect these hundreds of pips. Let's go to 4 hours. Look at the box that I just drew on 1 hour. Let's go to 4 hour. What do you think is on 4 hour? It's the freaking big arrow with the other arrow. Look at that. Boom! In your face. And you're gonna tell me my stop don't work? Hell no. That's what it is. But remember, like I said, it's up to you guys. You want to do this in a different way? Well, it's up to you. But this is what I'm expecting to see here. Look at that. Look at this beautiful thing. Triple arrow is forming in this area. It's going to be ready this week. And the market is going to do what? Let me do the reanalyze. Let me draw the drawing once again. So you can see I took it off. You can see it. Look at this. Market will go up and retest our 38.2 Fibonacci line. From that point on, market's gonna do a small retracement, retesting. What do you think is gonna retest? Gonna retest our 23 Fibonacci line, and then market is gonna go where? It will go all the way up. Boom! Oh, so we're gonna come back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. where we're gonna reanalyze the market all over again, 101. We're gonna wrestle, and then you will agree with me, or either you will disagree with me. Simple as that. Did that make sense, guys? You guys have any questions so far? Please write it down. I'm here. I'm here to help you. Guys, do me one last favor. I'm gonna ask you one more time. If you are finding value on my video, all you gotta do is what? Give me a thumbs up. If you think, Irvin, you need to improve doing your analysis, still give me a thumbs down. Either way is fine, but I need to know your honest opinion so I can keep helping you in a professional way, okay? But I just want to hear from you guys. All right, the other pairs that I already did yesterday, Saturday, I did gold, guys. I already did that. I already give you the analysis on gold, so please pay attention to that one. Let me bring that pair in the middle. So the look at that. I already gave you that on 4 hours. The next pair I gave you, let me take this off on my screen. The next pair I gave you was on Euro NCD. Look at that. I already told you what it's doing. Check that video. I also gave you USD CHF. I don't know if you already watched that once again the video, but I already gave you that pair. And hold on, let me check here something. What's going on here? There you go. I gave you that pair already, so I don't know if you already analyzed it with your triple arrow. If you want to grab the triple arrow, the link is below, guys. Just click on that one. And I also gave you Euro USD. So pay attention to these videos in there. Is there, it is what it is. I already give you the setup, so if you want to take a look at it, it's fine. If not, well, but I mean, that's what it is. So make sure you guys join us on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time. So all of this is brought to you by using our triple arrow system. So now the question here is, what are you guys gonna do this week? Are you guys here to collect these hundreds of pips? If you're still interested on do the 101 session, please let me know, because I'm gonna do one thing. What do you think I'm gonna do? Well, guess what?